This is Osama Shabir, Pre-Sales Director here at Touring, and today we'll be discussing the Touring enhancements within your Amazon Connect contact center. Touring dashboards and wallboards can deliver personalized information from your Amazon Connect contact center to any screen of your choosing, be that a monitor, large screen TV display, tablet device, or a mobile phone. Touring offers a complete integration into your Amazon Connect contact center for real-time reporting capabilities. Web-based layouts give you the ability to provide real-time contact center information to everyone within your corporation or enterprise. You have the power to customize and easily display information from multiple data sources all on one screen. Our easy-to-use and interactive editing platform allows you to make quick changes to KPIs, readjust and define value thresholds, and colorfully visualize graphs, bars, and charts. Break down stats for different skill groups and departments with no limits to number of layouts you can create. With our business user-friendly interface, there's no need to get your IT team involved when you want to make quick changes or updates. There are various layout options available right out of the box for displaying your Amazon Connect KPIs. Agent stats grids, queue stats grid, queue stats historical grid, current stats, real-time KPIs, historical stats, interval KPIs. Touring's detailed yet easy-to-use layouts are simple and intuitive to create, configure, and tailor so you can make them truly your own. Touring alerts and notifications provide a creative and customizable way to effortlessly display and get alerted on desired metrics and performance indicators of your Amazon Connect contact center. Be in the know all the time. These alerts can then be sent to your corporate IM environment such as Microsoft Teams, Cisco WebEx, or even as emails. You can also include marquees, tickers, banners, pictures, PDF files for sharing PowerPoint slides, YouTube videos, and weather information on the current forecast. CRM integrations are also available with minimal effort. Bring in data from Salesforce, SQL databases, ServiceNow, and let Touring dashboards and wallboards display and calculate your metrics of choice the way you want it. We also offer 7 different grids, each with numerous columns and filtering options. Current Touring customers migrating to Amazon Connect can request a free transfer of existing Touring licenses for use with Amazon Connect, so reach out to us for more details. Visit touring.com/tryItAmazon to view a sample wallboard layout or schedule a personalized demo at touring.com/demo.